Hi guys, I'm here at this beautiful park. Drove a little way, came going on a walking trail. Morning. Everybody, it's a nice, big, beautiful park. Here, it's vast. You have different trails. This is one. This is the easiest one. I'm just gonna walk this one a little bit, and then I'm gonna go on the bigger one around. It's beautiful. When I reach the top, I'm gonna show you. When I reach the top, I'm gonna show you. And you have some little side trails. Those ones are hard. Those are hard. I walked it one day, I couldn't finish. It was so hard. Yeah, I haven't done a exercise video in a while. I haven't been consistent. Typically, we start and then we're enthusiastic. It's like the devil doesn't want us to maintain good habits and keep healthy and fit and whatever. Anytime you're trying to do something that is beneficial to you, your body, your mind, your spirit, he fights. But I do a little exercise now and then. I do a little. And when I can't go to walk like in my community, around the community that I normally do, I have a pedal exercise thing. I use it in my room and I do a little ab. I have the video, the 10-minute beginner ab. I think I will forever be a beginner when it comes to that ab exercise. It's not easy. So I try. Now that I'm on break, came to this park. I came yesterday and I walk around and around. I did about 4 laps till my legs felt seize up. So big, vast area, beautiful. 2 ladies over there walking. I'm going up. I'm gonna do one of this and then I'm gonna do some laps around the bigger one. Those little patches in the grass, those are some smaller trails, but these trails, they're very hard. Like it's like some mountainside trails. You go zigzag, it's shaping S, all sort of shape, come back up, run and round and round and round the mountainside. Those are hard, man. One morning I said, let me try it. My friend and I started crying. I couldn't finish. The breeze is so nice. Look at the place, it's so green. So green. So beautiful. So green. So beautiful. And over there, there's a pond or a lake. You have a lot of these lakes here in Florida. There's a lake, and that's the other trail down there that that's the other road that I'm gonna walk on. So it's at the bottom, so you know it would be wider than the top. Yeah. So I'm just gonna do one of this. I wanted just to come up here to show you guys how beautiful it is up here, because all of the beauty is up here at the top. It's so nice. There's a gentleman walking. I think I saw him yesterday too. You have people, so those little white streaks, those are the smaller trails, but those are the deadly ones. And I saw even people biking on them. Yeah, my Lord, it's nice. It's so nice. I love this place. You know, you come out in the fresh breeze, fresh natural breeze. Every day you're locked in this house, in the AC. You have to come early, because when the sun gets hot in this place, it's hot, hotter than Jamaica. And sometimes you have some terrible downpour of rain, like it's a storm. It can. One time I was driving, I was in an Uber at that time. And I was in an Uber, and we just drove into a storm. Terrible. And by the time, probably 10 minutes or less, you drive out of it. Like it was just tearing in one area. Then you drive out of it, you drive in a nice, sunshiny, beautiful part. I know the Lord can do anything, but I kind of see something like that back home, but it's not so, what is it now? It's just not so intense, you know? Up here, everything is extreme. Yeah, it's not so extreme. Everything up here is extreme, man. Extreme. I'm just warming up, because I'm talking. When I'm ready to do the real walking, no time for talking. Because, you know, when you're walking, beautiful place. So nice. Big trees. When you're walking and trying to burn calorie, you can't just be walking leisurely. You have to be moving your arms and walking briskly. So I won't be able to talk at that time. But I'm just warming up now at the top, and I want to show you guys. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Good morning. Somebody just walking there. Yeah. So I'm just gonna do one lap here and show you guys the beautiful place. Yeah. So I've mostly been doing, for you guys who watch my live, I've mostly been doing live streams where I summarize the Bible. I started in January summarizing the Bible. You know, that's gonna take a long time, because I have to read it and break it down, condense it, make sure I report it accurately, because it's the word of God. And there are times when I write the exact words. Right? So I haven't done any cooking videos or exercise videos recently because of that. And it's easier to do the live stream, because immediately you do it and you're done. When I make videos, I have to sit and edit it, cut out, add music, make it beautiful as much as I can. I'm no tech person, but I try. So I find the live stream easier because I'm busy. I have to savor my little summer break, summer holiday. I have to savor it. Just pray for it to last. Because after the calm, there come the storm. When it's work, and you feel like you need more than one of yourself, and then you have to fight very hard to have some time to devote to God and do things for yourself. So look up there. There's this high. It looks like a landfill. I'm not sure, maybe some development. And there's a main road over there. I can glimpse the vehicles and hear them. It's so nice, I'm telling you. It's so cool. It looks overcast. Hope it doesn't rain before I'm finished. Yesterday I came out earlier. Yeah, I came out earlier yesterday. Some of the persons that I saw yesterday, I barely glimpsed two of them. And it's like they're almost done. But I woke up a little late. This morning. Oh, my alarm didn't go off, that's why the phone died. Alarm is on my other phone. It died. Didn't charge it. So this is my warm-up. Beautiful. The sun is rising. Yeah, you have to fight to do something for yourself and God. But I'm fighting. I'm fighting. Okay, guys, that is it for now. Gonna do my walk several laps vigorously. Then I head back home. I drive back home. It's not so far. And then when I reach, I try to do a little ab workout and stretch. I usually do some squats too with my weight. Alright, so bye. Blessings, blessings. Morning again, guys. This is my third day at the park. Yesterday I showed you some parts where I was walking and back. So beautiful. The sun is rising. So I will be, look out there, I see two little, I think they are squirrels. No, they are rabbits. two rabbits out there in the grass. They're little dark rabbits. Yeah, I'm taking the trail at the bottom, as I was telling you guys. It's asphalted and everything. Nice. And this part is nice, with palm trees and like a nature walk. So here I am. I think I'm gonna do about 4 laps. It's big. There's a duck. They're planting more trees, more willow trees. Very nice. You have the lake over there. Right. So I'll be showing you how beautiful it is. Like a nature walk. Oh, thank you, Lord, I reached safely. Thank you. Thank God. When you look at this beautiful place, you look at nature, you see the beauty of God. Nice blue sky, and the breeze is blowing. It's cool, it's fresh, it's peaceful. You know, when you're in the hustle and the bustle and the stress, just from home to car to work, home, car, work, just stress. It's like you don't have time to really appreciate nature. Right? You know, it's like you don't have time to even look outside and see that it's a full moon, or look at the stars and listen to the creatures and absorb nature and appreciate God and just reflect. We don't have time for that. I think that is why it's one of the reasons. Beautiful palm trees. I think that's one of the reasons why I have so many medical issues and stress. People are stressed, and then a lot of illness start to manifest. And also the violence, because you don't have time to breathe and relax, you know, and reflect on God and be calm. So all of this tension just explodes into violence sometimes, you know. Many different things pulling you in different directions. Sometimes you wish you could multiply yourself. And then people develop split personality disorder. They say that they are bipolar. It's the stress. Yeah. They're planting a lot of trees. A lot of willow. What you call those? They look like Christmas trees. Maybe it's the same as the willow tree. A lot of them. It's beautiful. I'm not seeing anybody. I'm seeing some people over there. And those trails that I was telling you about yesterday, they're very challenging on the mountainside. There are just some little tracks. Right? These trails with the asphalt, it's easier because it's just one road going. They have to go up, down, sideways. It's going up, come back, round and round. They're endless, and you have hills and stuff. And I see people biking on them. How hard it must be to pedal those bikes over those hills and stuff. Yeah. So here I am. Well, I didn't get to do my Bible study this week. I'm visiting with a friend, so like I'm out of my zone. they have distractions and stuff. And the environment not so conducive. I was still gonna try and do it, but then I just don't feel in the frame of mind, so I didn't do it. But I'm summarizing scriptures. So next week, God spare my life, I'll be back. Yeah, beautiful. It's a lady walking. But they're going up that hillside. Whee! Almost fell. So yes, look, this beautiful there's just a beautiful canopy of trees, and then it forms this like this lane. It reminds me of Fern Gully. So you have the palm trees, palm trees, and it's on both sides, and then you have some tall trees, and it forms this canopy. So you're walking through this. There's a squirrel running across the road. You're walking through this lane, like, and there's a canopy overhead. Look at all those squirrels on the tree. Whoa, they're just running around. Look. All those squirrels on the tree. Look. They're just running like a family of squirrels. Let me move before they attack me. Because I've seen where squirrels attack people in videos. Oh my God. Yeah. It feels lonely. I can't see much people. The long road ahead, I see about 2 persons all the way up. The lake is over that side. The lake is over there. Sometimes I wonder if there's gonna be a crocodile crawling out of it. Palm trees. So peaceful. So peaceful. I can't get to see the lake properly because of all these palm trees. But it's over that side. Some part of it look green and stagnant. So I'm afraid that crocodile might be in there. Yeah, some little lanes like people walk through here as well. So up there is where the other trail, those little trails that go around the hillside, they would be up there. There's another squirrel running. You see them all over the place. Squirrels and birds. Squirrels, bird. Look, he's not even running. See right there? He's not even running. He's in there. He's just up minding his own little business. He's running now because I'm going closer. He's gone on the tree. I don't want him to attack me. He's looking at me. Ah.